Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to calculate mean, standard deviation and standard error in Excel. Okay, so if you have a data like this and you want to find out mean of this data and also standard deviation of this data and standard error of this data, so in this video I will show you how to do it. So here you will see this is the mean. Okay, so first if you want to find out the mean or calculate the mean, you have to just press equals to, then average. Okay, and bracket open. Now select all the data of which you want to find out the mean or calculate the mean, then close bracket, enter. So this is the mean of this data. Okay, now we will know how to find out or how to calculate standard deviation. For standard deviation you have to just press equals to stdev. Okay, stdev, then all the numbers or all the data which you want to find out the standard deviation. Okay, then bracket close. So this is the standard deviation. Now we will find out standard error. So there is no particular formula for this standard error, so I will show you a trick by which you can easily find out that standard error. For that you have to press equals to, okay, then standard deviation of this data. Okay, bracket close, then divided by square root how many numbers are there or how many cells of the data of which you want to find out the standard error. Okay, so you can calculate or if you can't calculate, you have to just type here count. Okay, then select all the data, bracket close, then again close. Okay, so this is standard error. So like this you can find out standard error, standard deviation and mean in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.